One of the questions that we get all the time is, what tools should I be using to really maximize my SEO efforts, and what tools are going to give me the best results? So there's plenty of tools out there when it comes to SEO, probably too many. We've actually developed some of our own tools and technologies that we use and that we feel are industry leading in terms of doing the research, tracking the progress, testing and iterating. And we've developed a platform called Clickx. There are other tools out there that we use every day when it comes to our SEO. SEMrush, Ahrefs, Majestic, Screaming Frog. There's a lot of great tools out there that you can use. But I think the biggest issue that I have with this question is an SEO tool alone is just that, it's a tool. So an SEO tool is not going to get you results when it comes to your SEO program. What you really need is a team that has experience and has expertise in order to really maximize on what those tools are providing, which is information. So you need to be able to take that information and take that data, interpret it in a way that makes sense for your business, and develop a strategy surrounding that. So tools cannot predict the future in terms of what's going to happen in the industry. You need to take your knowledge of your company, your business, your industry, see where that's trending, and develop an SEO strategy around that. You need to look at your competitors, and you need to look at what people are doing in other similar industries that have been successful. And you need to develop a unique strategy around that and leverage the tools for what they're very good at, which is reporting on historical data, reporting on what the competition is doing, and tracking your progress along the way. So again, just keep in mind that an SEO tool or any tool when it comes to marketing is not the silver bullet that's going to fix your business. You need to use the tool for what it's for and make sure that you have a team, whether that's internally or externally, that is ready to maximize on those tools.